Out the back, Tua dances around the Spanish defenders and releases Naduva. Naduva is Nitro. Naduva herring after this. Alasio Naduva, look at how quick he is! Oh my word!
Fiji recruit Naduva straight through the middle. Naduva's got the base, and the Blitzbucker is going to play.
There's a gap over on the far side, and Naduva's bursting through. He needs support, or does he? Goodness gracious me! Alasio Naduva!
Jones couldn't pick it up. Kubavuna could. There's nobody in front of him. And unless Waqa can pick him up, it will be more than 20. Waqa is flying, trying to get to him and grabbed him by the coattails.
Pressure on Delasau. Oh, that's brilliant from Delasau. Now who can catch him? Saki is trying to get across. Vilimoni Delasau. Amazing.
Crochet, bien joué là, Delasau. Là c'est dangereux. Attention si Montoma marque. Bien joué de la part de Delasau qui accélère, qui est en train de déposer pas trop l'accélération de Vilimoni Delasau.
Par-dessus. Oui. Allez, c'est long, c'est long, c'est long.
Quelle course extraordinaire! Oh oui!
He's 50 over to Koroibete. First it was Karevi, now Marika Koroibete for Australia.
An exhilarating back move from the Wallabies.
And Vilimoni Delasau again. There is room for Australia. Pataya, and it's a chance for Koroibete to come away. Must be a try for Australia. Marika Koroibete. What a start to the second half. Australia right back in the fight.
The feet.
The throw by Nadidi goes behind. Now for Sireli Bobo with a left foot step on Vilimoni Delasau. That's goodbye.
Polosi, Satala, Bobo. C'est les grandes équipes, on s'en sort toujours. Bobo, il est passé, attention, ça va faire très mal. Sireli Bobo, oh le crochet superbe, la longue enjambée, les longues enjambées de Sireli Bobo. Et ouais, il a compris Sireli Bobo.
Numérique, Stéphane Armitage pour maintenant Tuisova qui échappe au placage. Et le jeu Fiji Rugby fermé, je décale, je la passe. Revoici Tuisova, Josua Tuisova face à Médard. Josua Tuisova, puissance qui échappe au placage, qui s'arrache et qui va marquer un point. Le deuxième.
Too long teammate Tuisova outside him, and here goes Josua Tuisova, showing a clean pair of heels. It's not all power. There's plenty of pace too.
They look so comfortable with the ball in hand, and wonderful pass there. And it's gone away from Nicholson. This time it's a sprint, and it's Ratini coming back inside. Chased hard all the way by William Spears, but no one can catch New Zealand goes through the hands of Tenai. It's Ratini, that pace once more.
After he has to blood new players, and what about the pace here from Ratini? Alipate Ratini.
Good work. This is Turnbull. Is he going to be caught? He is. My goodness me. Ratini
So far
was there.
One stoppage, and now the backs have to go through Price and Matawalu through the middle. Can anyone stop it?
So, out to Vito. Oh, the interception by Matawalu. Now, can he go the distance? The Fijian flyer. He's into the corner. What a try by Glasgow.
There's a fan. Joe. Not yellow enough.